All right, look, I've been following these guidelines to the T. These rules and these guidelines, and they say, okay, one, you got the social distance, okay, up to 6 feet. I got that down pat. All right, okay. Two, you got to wipe down your surfaces more often. Okay, I've been doing that. And three, wear those masks. Got to wear those masks to protect other people. That's what they said. To protect other people just in case you're asymptomatic. Okay, all right. If you say so. I got my mask on. Now the last one they say is to wash your hands and sing happy birthday 2 times. So that's what I've been doing, y'all. So y'all might be asking, why is she doing all this stuff? Why is she overdoing it? Well, I'm telling you, I'm doing all this stuff because it's some serious shit we going through right now. There's some serious stuff going down. So I'm gonna follow these directions. Okay, so here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 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 Not again. Damn. I just don't know what to say. I'm trying to follow all the guidelines, all the rules, and this is just not getting it. I can't even make it to the second verse of Happy Birthday. I don't know what's going on. Something gonna have to give, y'all. Something gonna have to give. And I've been following the etiquette of the birthday etiquette, where you don't want to ask for a favor, on or around somebody's birthday. Okay, all right, that's cool. I waited, I think his birthday was last week sometime, and yeah. They gave a nice, beautiful 24-hour tribute, Swiss Beats and his family and all that. I listened, I looked, I appreciated. But you know what? It's over now. I'm in dire need of a favor. I got to ask a favor. Because it just ain't working for me. It just ain't working. And I'm sure a lot of other people out there got this same problem. But this one got me stumped. Y'all. Because I'm trying to sing it 2 times and I'm not making it through. I'm just going to have to ask for this favor right here, right now. Because I'm in dire need. And happy birthday and everything. But you think we could get a remix? Please. Because I'm down the bone, man. I'm down the bone. Because this is just not working. I'm not making it through the song. I'm not even making it to the second verse. And on top of that, after I wash my hands and wrap them and everything, I can't even put on the gloves. I can't even put on my gloves. So I tried, and I waited as long as I could,